Yeah, so I just wanted to review a bit where I'm shooting. Of course, I'm being careful when I shoot, and yeah. So you see, I'm not just going anywhere, and yeah. It's like the last time I had filmed my Phantom, yeah, and I was about here. There was trees and stuff like that from the storm that there was, and yeah, there was trees, piles of wood, and I was just putting the barrel on it. So, but now all I have is this, which is metal, a rod sticking out of the ground. So I put my sleeve like this on it for the barrel of the gun here, or the body here, not to just scrape on it, yeah. That's the tags. So yeah, it was just to say, always have a safe environment. Never shoot if there's somebody behind or in front of your target, and mostly between you. That's what I meant. And yeah, as always, be safe and shoot properly when handling a spring gun or air gun, or however people say. So yeah, have a nice day. So yeah, shooting back at about 70 feet. Still with the Gamo, sorry. I have a Phantom, it's broken, so yeah, I need to use the Gamo, which by the way is, I'd say it's a good gun. Yeah, shoots well, it's reliable. The scope, it's a center point. Yeah, you can see it. So yeah, my target is kind of styrofoam head that I got, more foam mostly, and I'm just going to shoot it like this. I'll try in the scope, but I can't promise anything very much success. I've been trying earlier, so yeah. Scope view, I'll try. And yeah. Okay. Let's see. Our target is right over there. Yeah, you can see the head. So now I'll just try to shoot. It's a headshot. Be back, I'll just reload and film it back. So yeah, I'll try to get a profile shot on this one. Yeah, and shoot, my battery's running out, so it will be my last shot maybe of the day. So enjoy, be safe with handguns, and as always, no, I just said it, be safe. So this is shooting with the Gamo Falcon, and it's about 70 feet. Safety was on. So it's a hit. I'm gonna get a closer view. So, oh, shot it there in the eye. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. For the scope, it's a center point, and yeah. So it's a Gamma Falcon. Next time. Yeah. So yeah. I forgot to zoom. I was standing over there. Shot here. I think I shot him in the nose right there. Don't think you can see. Maybe in the eye. There. Corner. I'm joking. Ah, there. Sorry, just shot him there. So yeah, it's just to make a quick video to say in my previous shots I want to mention that the scope wasn't well adjusted to the gun, so I was pretty much going by estimation, and yeah, it's only to say that if I shot besides my target or beyond, it's only because the scope wasn't adjusted. Otherwise, I hit it a few times and just. So yeah, it was just for you to understand that it's not that I have no talent at shooting. I just did not have enough pellets to run the whole shot. And, next video.